Hello, Joanna.
Ian, kailangan ko ng tulong mo. Please, pumunta ka muna dito.
Ha? Bakit? Ano nangyari?
Please, punta ka na lang dito, please.
Okay, let's talk.
I don't want to talk to you.
Okay? Look, I don't need long. We're just gonna talk. That's all that's gonna happen.
Hindi mo ba ako narinig? I don't want to talk to you. Let's go.
Irene, just...
Go!
Irene, stay!
Sige, sige.
Okay, I don't want to touch you. Okay, let's just talk.
Irene! Irene! Anong ginagawa mo kay Irene?
Nothing's happening here. There's nothing...
Anong walang nangyayari?
We're just talking.
Nagsasamantalahan mo si Irene.
Joanna, please.
So, ikaw pala si Joanna.
Dave, stop. Anong ako pala si Joanna?
I know everything about you and your husband. Alam ko rin kung ano yung naging papel ng asawa ko sa relasyon ninyong dalawa.
Asawa?
Yeah, you heard me right. Asawa ko si Irene.
Irene, totoo ba yung sinasabi niya?
Irene, tell her the truth.
Asawa ko nga si Dave. I'm sorry, hindi ko sinabi sa'yo, Jill. I'm sorry.
Irene, bakit ka pumayag sa setup na to? May asawa ka na pala.
That's exactly my point. And firstly, how could you drag my wife into this? And secondly, Irene, of all people, bakit ka pumayag sa setup na ganito?
It's none of your freaking business!
No, you're wrong. All of this is still very much my business. Don't forget, ako pa rin yung asawa mo. May karapatan akong malaman lahat na nangyayari sa'yo. And Jesus Christ, you know what, Joanna? Ngayon na alam mo na lahat, pwede ba tigilan mo na yung pagpapanggap ng asawa ko?
You know what? You have to leave. You have to leave. Kailangan ako ni Joanna. Kailangan ako ng asawa niya. Kaya umalis ka na.
Wait, what did you say? Kailangan ka ng asawa niya. You know what? Irene, think about it, ha? Kasi mukhang ikaw yung may kailangan sa asawa niya.
Don't you dare talk to me like that!
Eh, di ba siya yung pinagpalit mo sa akin? Yung TJ na yon!
Hindi totoo yan! Ikaw kasi yung ugali mo eh!
Alam mo, kausapin ko na lang kaya yung lalaking yun, di ba?
Oh,
I'm just gonna talk to
no!
you. Yung TJ, di ba, is here?
Hindi ka pwede pumasok sa bahay ko! Hindi ka papasok!
Yo, I'm just gonna talk to him.
No!
I'm not gonna do anything.
No, hindi ka pwede pumasok sa bahay ko! Umalis ka na dito!
He's just there, right? Irene, why don't you let me talk to him? Wala akong gagawin. I'm just gonna talk. Diba? Let's see. Ano ba yung sinasabi mo?
Umalis ka na!
Tatanungin ko siya.
Please, Dave, nagmamakaawa ko sa'yo. Please, umalis ka na!
I'm sorry, Irene. You know what?
No!
I came all this way. You're not gonna talk to me. I'll talk to him.
Hindi ka pwede pumasok sa bahay ko!
Well, if she doesn't want to talk to me, I want to talk to him.
No! Hindi nga pwede!
Walang mangyayari. We're just gonna talk.
No!
I'm not gonna
I
do
don't want to
anything.
talk to you! Get out! Get out!
Irene, can you please?
Out!
You don't want to talk to me.
Umalis ka na!
Iyan, tulong nga!
Joanna!
Sino kayo?
Sino ba yung lalaki
Sino
to?
kayo?
Sino ka? Kaibigan kami ni Joanna. Sino ka?
Ako yung asawa ni Irene.
Asawa?
Okay, gusto kong kausapin yung TJ na yan. Kaya okay lang ba?
Hindi!
Bro, sandali. Narinig mo naman, di ba? Ayaw nga ng may-ari eh. Pag nagpumilit ka pa, trespassing na yun.
Fine. But you know what? This isn't over. You and I still have to talk.